Get ready to unlock the secrets to a jaw-dropping kitchen transformation without breaking the bank. This video is about to change the way you see budget-friendly remodeling. Let's dive in. You don't have to spend a fortune on a major kitchen remodel. Whether you want to maximize a small kitchen or modernize a dated one, these budget kitchen remodel ideas will help you create a space you love spending time in. We understand that not everyone has limitless resources for their kitchen renovations. That's why, in the next few minutes, we'll explore smart choices, creative solutions, and cost-effective materials that make a real difference. Before we start, remember that a well-thought-out plan is key. We'll talk about setting a realistic budget and selecting materials that offer both quality and affordability. Alright, before we get lost in the world of stunning kitchen designs, let's start with a solid plan. Planning is the cornerstone of any successful renovation project, and it's where you set the stage for a budget-friendly transformation. First things first, take a close look at your current kitchen. What are the aspects you'd like to change? Are you thinking about a full-scale remodel or perhaps a more focused update? By understanding your priorities, you can allocate your budget where it matters most. Now, let's talk numbers. Setting a realistic budget is key. Consider factors like materials, labor, and any unexpected expenses that might pop up. It's always a good idea to have a contingency fund just in case. Remember, being flexible with your budget doesn't mean compromising on quality. There are plenty of cost-effective options available, and we'll be exploring some of those later in the video. So, take some time to plan, crunch those numbers, and get a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Trust me, it'll make the entire process much smoother. Now that we've got a solid plan in place, let's talk about materials. Choosing the right ones can make a world of difference, not only in aesthetics, but also in keeping things within budget. Consider options like laminate countertops, which offer a cost-effective yet stylish alternative to pricier materials. They come in a wide range of finishes, mimicking the look of natural stone. When it comes to flooring, vinyl is a fantastic choice. It's not only budget-friendly, but also incredibly durable and available in a variety of styles. Plus, it's a breeze to maintain. Don't underestimate the impact of cabinets on the overall look of your kitchen. Opting for stock or ready-to-assemble cabinets can be a game-changer for your budget. You'll find a surprising range of styles and finishes. Remember, being budget-conscious doesn't mean sacrificing quality or style. There are plenty of options out there that offer both. So, take your time exploring and find the materials that resonate with your vision. Now, let's dive into one of my favorite aspects of budget-friendly remodeling, repurposing, and upcycling. It's not only environmentally friendly, but also a fantastic way to add character and uniqueness to your kitchen. Take a look around your home. Are there any items that could find a new life in your kitchen? Maybe an old table could become a charming kitchen island, or vintage hooks could serve as pot hangers. For example, this old wooden ladder now serves as a stylish storage solution for pots and pans. It's a conversation starter and didn't cost a fortune. Don't be afraid to get creative. It's amazing what a fresh coat of paint or some simple modifications can do to breathe new life into old items. So, take a moment to look around and see what treasures you might already have. You'd be surprised at the transformation potential lying right under your nose. Now, let's embark on a treasure hunt. Thrift stores and discount home improvement stores are gold mines for budget-friendly kitchen accessories and decor. You'd be amazed at the gems you can find without breaking the bank. From charming dishware to unique decor pieces, these stores offer a wide array of options that can add personality and style to your kitchen without emptying your wallet. For instance, take a look at these delightful vintage plates. They add a touch of nostalgia and character to any kitchen, and they were a fraction of the cost you'd find in regular stores. When shopping at thrift stores, keep an open mind and don't be afraid to think outside the box. You never know what hidden treasures you might stumble upon. So, the next time you're out and about, why not pay a visit to your local thrift store? You might just find the perfect piece that ties your kitchen design together. Alright, we've covered planning, materials, repurposing, and finding budget-friendly treasures. Now, let's talk about another crucial aspect of budget-conscious remodeling: saving on labor costs. While some tasks may require professional help, there are plenty of things you can do yourself to cut down on labor expenses. Simple tasks like painting, installing hardware, or even assembling furniture can make a significant difference. Of course, for more complex jobs like electrical work or major plumbing, it's best to bring in the experts. But don't underestimate the impact of what you can accomplish with a little DIY spirit. When you do hire professionals, be sure to get multiple quotes and ask for referrals. It's all about finding the right balance between quality and affordability. So, roll up those sleeves and get ready to tackle some of those tasks yourself. Not only will it save you money, but it'll also give you a sense of pride in being hands-on with your kitchen remodel. Now, I'm going to share with you some expert tips and tricks that can make a significant difference when it comes to budget-friendly kitchen remodeling. Let's get started. Prioritize high-impact areas. Focus your budget on elements like countertops, which are both functional and serve as a visual centerpiece for your kitchen. Consider ready-to-assemble cabinets. These cost-effective alternatives can provide the storage you need without the hefty price tag of custom cabinetry. Embrace open shelving. Not only does it create an open and airy feel, but it also allows you to display your favorite kitchenware, saving on the cost of upper cabinets. Opt for laminate flooring. It's durable, easy to clean, and comes in a wide range of styles that mimic more expensive materials like hardwood or stone. Repurpose and upcycle. Get creative with items you already have. That old table could become a charming kitchen island, and vintage hooks could serve as pot hangers. Seek out discounted appliances. Many retailers offer floor models, clearance sales, or discounted sets, allowing you to get quality appliances at a fraction of the cost. Mix materials strategically. Pairing higher-end materials with budget-friendly options can create a balanced and visually appealing kitchen design. Maximize natural light. Utilize windows and strategically placed mirrors to make your kitchen feel brighter and more spacious, reducing the need for extra lighting fixtures. DIY where you can. Tackle tasks like painting, installing hardware, or assembling furniture to save on labor costs and add a personal touch to your kitchen. Plan for future upgrades. Make choices that allow for future improvements so you can gradually enhance your kitchen over time without a massive initial investment. These are just some of the many tricks you can use to achieve a budget-friendly kitchen remodel. Remember, it's all about smart choices and creativity. Dear viewers, HD Interiors fans, we've taken you through a whirlwind tour of budget-friendly kitchen remodeling, packed with tips, tricks, and expert advice. I hope you're as inspired as I am by the incredible transformations we've explored today. From prioritizing high-impact areas to repurposing and DIY projects, each step along the way has been a testament to the power of creativity and strategic planning. Remember, your kitchen is more than just a space, it's the heart of your home. With the right approach, you can create a kitchen that not only looks stunning but also caters to your lifestyle, all within a budget that works for you. It's been a pleasure sharing these insights with you. I'd love to hear about your own kitchen remodeling experiences and any tips you have in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting home improvement ideas. Thanks for watching.